You can get the side link invitation post of our Facebook. You can also get the application form in the description of our YouTube channel.